Crystal Brush is a decorative glitter paint that contains fine glitters and produces a lightly textured decorative finish. Crystal Brush provides a spectacular glitter finish with a swish of a brush. Try it out, anyone can do it. Crystal Brush Regular. Before adding the Crystal Brush, for the base, use a similar color to your Crystal Brush or a regular primer. Put a little bit of the Crystal Brush on the paintbrush at a time and apply it in an X pattern to the surface. Don't try to cover up the first coat perfectly. It will fill in on the second coat. Go back with a brush that has no paint on it and move the paint around on the surface in the same X pattern. Cover up any visible lines and blend the coat evenly. Allow the first coat to dry for a minimum of 2 to 3 hours. Apply the second coat using the same X pattern. If you prefer an extra glistening look, you can purchase an additional glitter and add it to the paint before the second coat. Add up to 4 ounces per gallon. Go back over the second coat with a clean brush again, blending the layer into a nice even coat with no excess material buildup or lines. Remember, you always want to choose a base coat that is very similar to the top Crystal Brush coat. If you use silver Crystal Brush, then you would choose a gray base. The Crystal Brush finish can also be sprayed on, which is a nice option for larger surfaces. Use an HVLP compressor with a number 3 or number 4 tip. Spray on the first coat of Crystal Brush, making all horizontal strokes. Then spray the Crystal Brush. Move in a nice and smooth fashion. Do not stay on one area too long. Keep it moving or the texture will build up. It's recommended that you use a flat paint color similar to the color of the Crystal Brush top coat. Allow the first coat to dry for 2 to 3 hours. Apply the second coat in even, consistent vertical strokes. Or if you did all vertical strokes on the first coat, you will do all horizontal strokes here on the second. Once the second coat is dry, if it's still not completely covered, you can choose to do a third coat of Crystal Brush. Whether you choose to paint it on or spray it, the Crystal Brush finish provides a modern, shimmering look that raises the vibration of any room. Choose from our beautiful catalog of 31 color choices.